Welcome back to our channel. Ever accidentally blocked someone on Messenger? Or maybe it's been so long that you barely remember doing it. No worries. Let's get you unblocked and back to chatting in no time. First, let's tackle unblocking on the Messenger mobile app. Whether you're using Android or iOS, start by opening the app and tapping your profile picture in the top left corner. Scroll down to Privacy and Safety and tap it. Under Who Can Reach You, you'll find Blocked Accounts. Tap that, find the person you want to unblock, and hit the Unblock button. If you're on a desktop, the process is just as easy. Start by clicking your profile picture in the bottom left corner of the screen. Before anything else, check the Restricted Accounts section to see if the person is listed there. If they are, just remove the restriction. If they're not hanging out in the restricted list, select Preferences. From there, click on Manage Blocking. This will show you a couple of options. Go through them until you find what you're looking for. Find the person you want and click Unblock. If you've also blocked them on Facebook, you'll need to unblock them there first. Head to Facebook, click your profile picture in the top right, and go to Settings. Under Audience and Visibility, select Blocking. Find the person on the list, click Unblock, and that's it. Block lifted on both platforms. And there you have it. Whether the block was recent or from ages ago, now you know how to fix it. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips.